Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make ebi to edamame no harumaki. Harumaki wrapper is such a handy ingredient. You can wrap anything you like, fry them, and you have a gorgeous meal that looks good and tastes good too. Today I'm wrapping some shrimp and edamame to make small bite-sized harumaki. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this ebi to edamame no harumaki, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 300 grams of shrimp, 150 grams of edamame, 10 harumaki wrapper, 1 hand-pan fish cake, 1 tablespoon of sake, and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Let's prepare the shrimp first. So remove the shell. And the vein. Put the toothpick at the back side of the shrimp and gently pull it up. And you can easily pull the vein out like this. All the veins, so let's rinse and dry them. Let's rinse under running water. And dry with some paper towel. Chop them finely using knife or food processor. Put it in the bowl. Hand-pan fish cake. Squeeze it in the back. Then add it to the bowl. Edamame, sake, some salt and pepper to taste, and mix it well until everything is glued together. Like this. Now, I'm wrapping the filling with harumaki wrapper. So let's make some glue to seal the wrapper. So here I have 2 tablespoons of flour. Let's add 2 tablespoons of water. Mix it well. And the glue is ready. 10 harumaki wrapper all together. Cut them into 3. And separate them. Place the wrapper vertically like this. About 2 teaspoons of the filling here. Bring the bottom line here to here. So it's triangle. Fold it up. Bring the bottom line to here. Put some glue. Fold it up and seal. time to fry them. Heat up some vegetable oil over medium heat. I'm using induction heater here and it's 4 out of 7. And put them one by one gently into the oil. And fry them for about 2 minutes on each side. Nice golden brown on both sides, so let's take them out. All fried. It's looking so pretty and smelling so good. Let's try one. Itadakimasu. The harumaki wrapper is so crispy and the filling inside it's so fluffy. And edamame adds nice texture to it and it's really, really good. It's great for lunchbox too. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Ebi to edamame no harumaki is the main, so it goes here. Because the main is deep fried, let's have something light and refreshing for the side dishes. So how about kohaku namasu for one of them and some sort of pickles either off the shelf or homemade for the other one. Plain rice here and onion miso soup or any soup you like here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.